The best adventures won't wait for you to get ready. From gearing up to setting up and dining out. You're not just ready, you're more than ready.
Introducing the 4.5-gallon Rinse Kit Pro Pack. We don't know how far you'll travel, but it fits right in. Featuring a 1-inch thick layer of insulation, weatherproof exterior, MOLLE webbing, backpack straps for easy carrying, and battery-powered pressurization. We don't know where you'll go, but we're ready to go along with you. We don't know where the trail will lead, but we've got your back on the journey. What you cook is up to you, but leave the washing to us. We hope you'll experience new things, but most importantly, with good people. We won't ask you how you got that dirty, but we know how to clean you up. We know how much the outdoors means to us, and hope to break down the hurdles that stop you from experiencing them yourselves. Wash, rinse, sanitize, and shower anywhere, anytime.
Introducing the AdventureMate version 2. It boasts an axe, saw, hammer, hook, and shovel, meticulously designed into one, making it the world's most premium mega multi-tool. Keep your AdventureMate in the back of your vehicle and never get stuck without the right tools again. The first tool is an axe, which is great for chopping and splitting wood for a campfire. The second tool is a hammer, which is invaluable to any campsite. Third tool is a hook, which is great for pulling out tent pegs or even cracking a beer. With our patented locking mechanism, you can change tools and lock them back into place by closing the cam lever. The fourth tool is a 6-inch replaceable saw blade, which is normally hidden inside the handle. In 2021, we have redesigned the shovel head to now have foot pegs and a naturally stiffer design. The 16-inch composite handle with all 5 tools comes in at only 4.5 pounds. We handcraft every multi-tool with all welding, powder coating and assembly done locally in Virginia Beach. We proudly use 100% recycled cardboard for all our packaging and plant 5 trees for every tool sold. Grab your AMV2 from adventuremate.com or off Amazon today.
Waking up to adventure is fueled by the friends who inspire you to get outside. The ones that will sing, snack, and nap their way to the trailhead with you. When you're out in the wild, you shouldn't have to compromise your freedom outdoors for finding clean water. The Katadyn Gravity Be-Free 3-liter water filter has you covered. It stores enough clean water for your base camp needs with easy clean filter technology that protects you from harmful organisms like protozoa and bacteria. Whether you're filling up at a stream, lake, or other questionable water source. When you're whipping up a meal for the group or just hanging around camp, the filter's free flow channels allow you to access clean water fast and easily. It's simple to clean and lightweight with no need for backflushing or extra tools. It's the only microfilter that cleans easily with a shake or a swish through your water source to remove dirt and debris. The hose and carry strap make it easy to fill up before you head out for a day on the trail, and will keep your pup hydrated too. So on your next camping trip, don't worry about where your next drink of water will come from. With the Katadyn Gravity Be-Free 3-liter, you and your friends can soak in all the outdoors has to offer.